I took his life. April 1st, 2024, Columbus, Ohio. Inside Nationwide Children's Hospital, a police body cam rolls as foster mom Pammy Maye lowers her voice. 5-year-old Darnell Taylor lies in the ER, unresponsive. Maye explains, almost casually, he sneaked snacks in bed. He was being bad. Moments later, she spells it out. I covered his mouth until he stopped. Who was Pammy Maye? A 33-year-old daycare worker, licensed foster parent for just 6 weeks. Neighbors say she enforced extreme discipline, hours of standing still, no food after 6 p.m. Timeline: 6:45 p.m., 911 call.
No. 905, Lord, 905 Reed Avenue. Just told me.
Oh, what?
That she killed us. She just told me she killed us.
Okay.
She just told me she killed us.
Where's
where's I don't know. I just checked out there in his bedroom. He is not here.
Okay, what's his name?
She's running out the house now.
How old?
She's 5.
And is she white, black, or Hispanic?
She's black. She's taking my car, and she's running out the house now.
Okay, what's her name?
Pammy Maye. Pammy.
6:52, paramedics arrive, note bruising on the child's neck. 7:05, body cam starts as Maye rides in the ambulance. At 7:12, in a curtained exam bay, she utters that fatal confession. Detectives ask, why? Maye: he knew the rule, no crumbs in the bed. Officers read her rights. She nods, emotionless. 2 days later, in Franklin County Court, the judge lists counts: aggravated murder, murder, involuntary manslaughter, child endangerment. Bond denied. Prosecutors will seek life without parole. Children's Services admits they visited the home twice in March, no imminent threat logged. Now they're rewriting policy on post-placement checkups. Darnell's preschool released a single photo, his face radiant under finger paint. At a candlelight vigil, classmates placed toy cars around his framed picture. Experts say fatal suffocation homicides often stem from rage mixed with rigid rule sets, when a caregiver values obedience over life itself. Discipline or pure cruelty? Drop cruelty or excuse in the comments. Smash subscribe. Tomorrow, a chilling 43-second confession from another case drops at noon. Justice for Darnell. Remember his name.